This is how to install sidebar GUI in CURA 4. This is my model, and in the marketplace there are a few plugins I'd like to download, and we are waiting a while, and let's select sidebar GUI. Yes, click install and accept. Yes, it's installed. It's installed like that, and quit, and let's launch again. We are waiting a while again. My computer is little slower than computers. Yes, it's installed in sidebar. And let's open my model. Yes, it's my model, and there is X-ray view in prepare page. Yeah, play customer shall. Yes, my wall thickness is blah blah. Yes, it's installed.